welcome to K Cooking. My name is HK. I want to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I'm going to teach you how to make healthier version of Dakgangjeong. Dakgangjeong is a soy glazed chicken. We need 14 pieces of chickens and then 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, and half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cooking wine. First, we have to marinate this chicken. So use every ingredient to pour into the chicken. So onion powder, garlic powder, ginger juice, and pepper, salt, cooking wine. If you don't have a ginger juice, you can use the chopped ginger. And if you don't have a garlic powder, just use the regular chopped garlic. It's okay. Like this, marinate, mix together very well, and put it in the refrigerator about 15 to 20 minutes. At least 20 minutes. I recommend to you guys put in the refrigerator. Original version of Dakgangjeong, we usually frying the chicken, but this one I'm going to use the air fryer. So spray the little bit of oil and put in the chicken. It's really simple. And put in the air fryer. So 400 degree and about 10 minutes first. After 10 minutes later, flip over to the other side. And another 10 minutes. Look at this, perfectly golden brown. It's almost done, so I'm going to show you how to make sauce. This is for the sauce ingredient: 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 2 teaspoons of ginger juice or chopped ginger is okay. And then this is a 1/4 cup of chopped nuts. Turn on the medium heat and pour every ingredient in the pan. So when you see there's a lot of bubble, this time you have to put in the chicken. So you have to see the bubble. You have to check the bubble. Let's eat it. This is really good. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. See you next time.